In this episode, we will be learning how to disable notifications preview on Zangi. To disable the notification previews on the Zangi app and keep your messages private, first of all, open the Zangi application from your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged into Zangi, tap the settings icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Within the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Inside Notifications, in order to disable notification preview on your application, toggle off the button right next to Show Previews. Once you have this Show Previews option disabled, this will hide message content in notifications. Once you do that, you can get back to the application's homepage and start using the app. Only this time, you will not be able to display any kind of a notification whenever you receive a message on Zangi. By following these steps, you will be able to disable notification preview on Zangi for privacy concern. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.